types of cells. All right, we have prokaryotic cells. Let's break down this word real quick, okay? Pro means before. Before what? Karyotic. Oh, what's karyotic mean? It means nucleus. Okay, so before the nucleus, there was only bacteria, right? And so when we say that, we're going to go with bacteria, or no longer used, but you might still see this on the test. This used to be the name of the Monera kingdom, right? The kingdom where bacteria were. I'm going to take a second out and just draw one for you. They're so simple. We'll just put one over here like this. All right, we have a cell wall, a cell membrane. Yes, and now, would there be a nucleus? No. Where would the DNA be? There would be a circular chromosome right there, okay? And what else would be there? Maybe some ribosomes, okay? And other than that, there'd probably be nothing else. You might even see little rings of DNA called plasmids. And let's even put this there, the cilia, the flagella, okay? There's a nice little bacteria right there. Just want to label a couple things here. What I just said, that's a plasmid. And this is the circular chromosome. Let's label this as the bacterial cell, okay? There's your prokaryotic. Now the other kind of cell, the eukaryotic cell. This is the cell that everybody knows about. It has a nucleus, okay? And animal cells, plant cells, fungi cells, protocells all come into here. Another thing I'd like to add is that they have, and this is what your textbooks might say, they have membrane bound, okay, that means just there's a membrane around their organelles, right? Membrane bound organelles. The ER, right, has a membrane and inside the lumen. The mitochondria has a membrane, two membranes, right? Chloroplast has a membrane. We even know peroxisomes, lysosomes, and the Golgi bodies all have membranes. None of those things exist in the prokaryotes. Notice I didn't draw them here, okay? And so they're all going to be in these higher order cells. Prokaryotic cells, eukaryotic cells, another thing you got to know.